English together.
Small talk.
Where are you from, Jay?
I'm from New York in the United States.
New York. Wow, that sounds great.
How old are you, Jenny?
I'm 19 years old. What about you?
I'm 19 too. So why are you in Japan?
I'm here as an exchange student. I want to learn Japanese and learn about the culture.
That's nice. How long will you stay in Japan?
I will stay for 1 year. I want to study and see many things.
1 year? That's a long time. Do you like Japan?
Yes, I really like it. The country is beautiful, and the food is very good.
I agree. Japan is a wonderful place.
Do you live here?
Yes, I was born and raised in Japan. I love it here. There's always something new to see.
Are there nice places to go out?
Yes, there are many parks, cafes, shopping malls, and famous places like a traditional castle.
Wow, that sounds nice. I want to visit a traditional castle. I want to take pictures.
That's a great idea. The park around the castle is very beautiful.
Really? Do you want to come with me?
Sure, I'd love to. Let's go on Saturday morning.
Great! I can't wait for the weekend.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.